Hello you lovely lot, good morning. It is a strange one today actually. It's a bit of a bitty day. Bitty day. So I'm going to take you through a slightly odd day. Today's day. How many times can you say day in one go? Today's day begins with some fitness. Now I put a little call out on social media 2 weeks ago to basically plead for someone to help get Pix fit. Because working in food and working from a desk all day does not equate to a healthy body or mind. The amazing team at Revolution, which is a personal training studio. So it's not like a normal gym, it's personal training only, and they are amazing, and they very kindly offer to do a 12-week program. So that's what we're doing today. So Will is my PT, who I frankly adore and is not camera shy whatsoever, so you will be seeing him. So we're going to go for a little training session with him, and then I'm going, to get my hair done, because of course I decided that I was going to become blonde, which is like the most high maintenance hair colour in the land. And then this evening I'm going for a little, dinner with my Loire Valley lot, who I adore and haven't seen for a couple of months. So I'm going to go and have some dinner with them at the Ned. I mean, yeah. I would like to clarify, this is not a normal day. This is very much an oddly luxurious one. Although it's going to begin me being put through my paces a little bit. Bring it on! This is Will.
Hi.
Hi, Will. This is my,
this is our little workout.
And we're doing 3 times a week.
Yes.
1 hour each time. And the goal, in fact, we just had some results, didn't we?
We did have some results. And
were you happy?
Pretty much 1 kilo in the first week, and we're down about 2.5% body fat. So things are looking good.
Look at that. Cheeky little pit stop in Lyon. Classic lunch go-to. I'm now going to go and get my hair done. Everything is hot. My phone is hot, my laptop is hot, the air is hot. I am hot. And I'm aware how British I sound right now, but it's very warm, guys. I cannot wait to get my hair done. Oh my god, get rid of those roots, get rid of those roots. Back with the Fudge family. Tracey is going to sort me out today. I did say this on my Instagram, but just quickly, not a plug. They've not asked me to do any of this, by the way. This is all just very genuine, trust me. But since going blonde, I've been using this. Don't use it all the time. Use it like once every 2 weeks. But the clean blonde literally strips any brashness out of your hair at all. I'm getting my well-needed roots done. Oh, it's my M&M face, looking good. Chase, can I put you on the spot? Can you tell us what we're going to do toning wise?
Okay, so we want to get rid of this lovely yellow colour that we've got here. So we're going to tone, last time we kept it quite a nude blonde, but we fancy taking it today a little bit more blush.
Yeah.
Pinky blush,
yeah.
pinky blush nude.
Yeah, like
I think that sounds nice. Pretty for summer, we've got hot days here, so why not have a bit of rosiness to the hair as well as the cheeks?
I'm excited. I'm actually going to a wedding where I've got a slightly kind of blushed dress.
Oh, perfect.
In a week and a half, so.
Yeah, we're not going to do it too, we're not going to do pink, so there'll be no clashing.
No clashing.
No, it'll be really pretty.
I'm excited, thanks Tracey.
This
This is misleading. Looks like I'm having purple.
She's swollen.
Look at it. Look at these two. Look at them. Just casually there with their insane talent. Oh my god, I freaking love it. I'm gonna do that thing now where I'm gonna walk past every shop window and be like,
swing that ball.
That's what happens.
it's so, but that doesn't.
Soft, natural, beautiful. It's like an advert.
Soft, natural, beautiful. Thing is, I won't want to go to sleep on it now. I'll just sit, I'll sleep upright. Just so I can wake up exactly the same. Here's something insane, okay? We're at the Ned. I want to show you so much of this. Sorry. I want to show you so much of this, but it's a very exclusive members place. But I'm just going to give you a teaser as to where we are in the city. So we've been invited here by Clerkenwell Boy. Clerkenwell Boy is rapidly becoming one of my favourite people. He is a genius, a culinary genius, and he is basically invited us here to have an incredible meal at Kaia, which is a sushi bar. There's very little that I can show you because it's exclusive, guys. What can I say? I'm part of that club. I'm part of that club now. I'm not at all. It is insane. I literally want to put my camera everywhere.
I feel like I'm like in a dream.
Isn't this mental?
I'm a bit drunk on crazy.
Oh yeah. I turned up like an hour late and they're all mental. Absolutely mental. I actually don't know what to do. Also, no offence Simon, the level of attractive people here is skyrocketing. Literally secret scrolling some shops now. So massive right now. But we're here with Clerkenwell Boy. You will not see him this evening. Follow his Instagram to get all the details. But he curated the menu at Kaia, which is at the Ned. Insane. With the guy who curated the menu. Fangirling really hard, even though he's not my friend, but it's mental. The way it's going to work is we're all going to choose something that calls out to us, and then Clerkenwell Boy is going to fill in the blanks. This is surreal. I don't think I've fully explained to you how mental this evening is. Like, the Ned is wild. I feel like I'm in Gringotts. Every one of these is worth £1 million. Japanese fried chicken, salmon poke bowl, tuna poke bowl, fried tempura prawn. Happy? Happy? Happy! Yeah! Enjoying? Yeah. Yeah! Oh my god! This is unreal. It is 12:30. 12:30. Windows are down. Because it is so warm. It's the weirdest thing. We're like at 28 degrees. It's 28 degrees and it's 12:30 at night. I'm sorry. Are we in Dubai? I don't think so. Nice though. It's really nice. Most incredible evening. I can't actually believe that this evening happened. What is life? Is that so? Oh, you can see the traffic lights change on my face. Why does my hair look so good? I need to call Simon. Here ends today. I feel like this is going to be the shortest vlog in history, but